Now buy call generator, green color candle open, that straight white line from green candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Today it's a Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. Today it's a July 1st market after 11:20 buy call generated, so green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will analyze the market movement. So we are watching Bank Nifty 1 minute chart, so it will analyze the 1 minute candle. When the trend changes, when a breakout happen, automatically immediately it will give the calls like a signal. Right now the buy call generated, buy signal, green color candle open. That open point is the entry point. Then can you see that straight white line from green candle, that is our entry point line. Buy at 52,654. The first target is more than 100 point range, second target is more than a 200 point range. Like this daily the calls will be generated. So the entry is 654, first target is 786, it's more than 130 point first target. 6 minutes of trading, it break out a 100 point momentum and continuous bullish direction. So in just a 6 candle from opening to now, it was very bullish momentum. So it is easily break out 120 point momentum. We can say a 90% of target has been achieved. After a volatile, it break out the first target. Like this call generated and performed really well. If you want to subscribe for the chart, if you want the chart detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.